Hello friends, I welcome all of you in this lecture. Today we will see the retrosynthetic analysis of plus minus Sabin-Canadian-E reported by two scientists M.G. Kalasetti and N.P. Argade in the Journal of Organic Chemistry. As we know that regular organic synthesis involve the conversion of starting materials into desired product using suitable reagents and reaction conditions. We can show the specific mechanism and interactions of reagent or reactant with starting precursor during organic synthesis. Retrosynthesis is an imaginary but logical reverse chemical synthesis starting from product, that is target molecule, which help us to reach the readily available starting material. It means in retrosynthesis, synthetic planning starts with the final product, that is target molecule, and ends with the starting material. Retrosynthetic analysis is the art of planning the synthesis of final product. Generally, the intermediates, transition states and mechanisms are not shown in the retrosynthetic analysis. Now we will see the retrosynthetic analysis of plus minus Sabin-Canadian-E. This is the structure of plus minus Sabin-Canadian-E. We will see its retrosynthetic analysis. During retrosynthetic analysis, we use different operations. Here we use disconnection operation. So this plus minus Sabin-Canadian-E on disconnection will produce this plus minus Sabin-Canadian-E on disconnection will produce such type of diol. It means that diol can be converted into plus minus Sabin-Canadian-E during the synthesis. Then we will see the next disconnection approach. FGI means functional group interconversion. This diol containing imide functional group on disconnection will offer such type of diene system. It means that diene on dihydroxylations, oxidative cleavage and reduction will offer such type of diol. This is the retrosynthetic analysis of plus minus 7-caneret E, starting from plus minus 7-caneret E as a final product, that is target molecule, and ends with the maleimide as a starting precursor. So it means in retrosynthesis we start with the product and end with the maleimide as a starting precursor. If we go for the synthesis, then we will start with maleimide. These are the different steps that are occurring in the synthesis of plus minus 7-caneret E from maleimide. So this is the retrosynthetic analysis of plus minus 7-caneret E. Thank you very much.